Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is cordial. It is pronounced Cordial and spelt Cordial. Think core and then dial. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Cordial has a couple of meanings. Firstly, it means friendly and warm. It's a way to describe a relationship or interaction that is polite, gracious, and genuine. It's also a name for a watered-down sweet drink, like a squash. To use this word, you could say, the meeting was cordial and both parties reached an agreement. Or, the host was very cordial and offered us a tasty fruit cordial. The word cordial comes from the Latin word cordialis, which means of the heart. This sense remains today in its meaning of friendly and warm. In the popular video game Animal Crossing, players interact with cordial animal villagers who always greet each other with kindness. Villagers engage in polite conversations, express gratitude for favors, and generally maintain a friendly atmosphere on the player island. It's a very cordial and relaxing game. Synonyms for cordial are friendly, warm, polite, and gracious. Antonyms for cordial include unfriendly, cold, and rude. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Cordial. Have a top day ahead. Maybe relax and have a sip of cordial. And we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.